The next topic I'll be covering here is how to create and utilize user-defined tools. And to demonstrate this, I'm going to go ahead and take this example of uh, a table here where you can see there's a profile that follows around this table. And this is a custom profile that I would like to machine, but I don't want to use like a ball mill or a corner radius tool. We have a special like a custom profile cutter that you may have built, and to take advantage of that and be able to cut it in one or multiple XY passes, you could have a tool that's modeled which represents the form of this profile. So the steps to create it is, first, I'm going to go into this layer tree to hide some of these features in here just to make it easier for us to see it. So the first step is you need to model one half of your tool profile with the tip at the origin. So you model the cutter profile that you'd like to use to define as a form tool or a user-defined tool. You highlight or select it, and then you go into your tool, create edit tool tab, select user-defined mill, and then select load selected tool profile. So the tool with the profile that you created, the tool is defined, you can save it as a new tool. Now, once you have a tool defined, the programming would be very similar to how we programmed a profiling operation. So you go into 2-axis and profiling, you pick the tool. In this case, this would be a user-defined tool. Establish your feeds and speeds and clearance. Then we choose the cut side to be on the outside. And for the cut level, since I've chosen the curve at the bottom edge, I'm going to leave it as at bottom. Set my entry and exits, and then generate the toolpath. So this is going to cut this profile in one single XY pass. And as you notice, the cut material simulation also shows the user-defined tool and the form that it creates. If you'd like to step it in multiple XY passes, you could always edit the operation, specify a total cut width in here, and you can run it in one or more passes. So that would be your first pass. You don't take up too much load on the tool cutter, so you can step it in by using multiple step over passes. So there are several different applications where you can use user-defined tools for. You can use them in 2-axis profiling and in engraving as well.